Lord, show me the way. Yes, sir. Send me the way. Yes, sir. Send me the way. Show me. Lord, show me. Show me. Lord, show me.
Yo, what's good, family? Welcome back to Godriven TV with your boy LaShawn Taylor. Thank you for tuning into this video. I really appreciate it. Make sure you stay for the whole thing. I'm gonna show you how to do something that's magical, all right, that every crafter needs to know. All right, we're gonna get straight into this video. We're gonna go ahead and go into our Safari app. From there, we're gonna type in free SVG. Click images. And now you'll see a whole bunch of free SVG files that you can use for free in your Cricut Design Space. All right, and I'm just gonna go ahead and pick one. Yo, so I actually like this fueled by coffee and sarcasm. So we're gonna go ahead and use this. I'm gonna hold the photo and click add to photos. All right, and then from here, I'll go ahead and go into my Cricut Design Space app. You want to make sure you have that downloaded. Go ahead and sign in. So with the photo we just got, we're going to head and hit the plus. We'll hit upload at the bottom. Select from photo library. And then the very first photo. All right, and then we'll go ahead and hit our select button, and we're going to tap the background first. And as we can see, we got the background transparent. Then we'll go inside to each letter to remove the backing. And then I'll go ahead and grab the eraser and just wipe over this bottom part. Get those words taken out. All right, we should be good now. All right, and I'll just put fueled by coffee for the name. Hit done. And I'll use this, of course, for vinyl. So I'll hit cut and then I'll hit upload. Now that's how you get a free SVG into the Cricut Design Space. Thank you for tuning into this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you hit that bell notification so you'll be notified when I drop new videos. Until next time, we out.
Show me the way. Yes, sir. Send me the way. Yes, sir. Send me the way. Show me. Lord, show me. Show me. Lord, show me.